In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can earn $2,000 a week. All you have to do is just to sit down and watch the entire video from the beginning to the end, and how I'm going to be revealing my step-by-step strategy information that is going to help you to achieve this. Now, let's get started. Here is simple 3-step strategy of how I and my students have been able to make 100k to 500k online with just our smartphone and internet connection for the past 1 year. What if in the next 3 months you find yourself consistently making over 100k to 500k monthly? What will you start doing and what will you stop doing? Let me know that in the comment section. It's a question for you. What if you never have to depend on anyone for money again? Here is a guarantee. I guarantee you that after this training you will not beg anyone for money again, 100% sure. Here are some withdrawals from a student. The first interface, about 832,500 naira. That one is for Nigeria currency and some and other currency attached to it. So this is for everyone. If you're in a country whereby your currency is dollar, this is for you. If you're in a country whereby your currency is cedis, which is Ghana, this is for you. If you're in a country whereby your currency is in CFA, this is for you. So the second interface, this student is appreciating me. The student said, "Thank you, sir. I was able to make this in 2 days. I think I should increase my budget because I want to be like you, boss." Okay, that's good. The third interface, about 532,000 we made. This is another withdrawal from a student. I have a lot of them. I just have to reduce it for the sake of this tutorial. Now, this is from another student. I made over 500k within 13 days. Okay, so this is a question for you. When are you going to be making your first million? You're going to ask yourself that question. The job I'm doing right now, can I make my first million from there? Or maybe yes, maybe no. And this student said, I made over 3 million with affiliate marketing business alone. To assure you that this is 100% legit. So if you're getting any value from this content, subscribe and smash on the notification button. Anytime I drop a valuable content like this one you are watching right now, YouTube is going to notify you. And in case you are seeing me for the first time, you may be wondering, who is this online wizard mentoring people on how to make money online? You may be wondering, who am I? My name is Opayemi Barak and people call me Coach Opayemi. I'm also known as Movies. I have trained over 1,000 students on this business and I'm also reveal to you. What is this business for? This business is for employee or an extremely business 9 to 5 workers, stay-at-home moms, fresh graduates or students if you have been trying to make money online and keep falling. Although this is for everyone. In case you have question, can I legitimately make fast and easy money online? The answer is yes, but you're doing it the wrong way. Do I need a laptop? No, you don't. Do I need to rent an office? No, you don't. You can start with your smartphone from the comfort of your home. Understanding these 3 easy, simple steps would change your financial status, even if you're doubting, because I was too. When I also want to get started, I was doubting, can this change my financial status? Until when I got started. So with DMAP program plus my mentorship, this is gonna change your financial status. Now, what is this business about and how is it done? This is a business model called affiliate marketing. The MAP, which means digital money affiliate program, and this affiliate program called the MAP is currently live on seller platform. It involves you recommending helpful digital product and getting paid a commission. And I will be showing you 3 simple strategies to make 100k to 300k with an online marketing platform called the MAP. Here is disclaimer: this business is not for lazy people that hate working. This business is not for people that hate following simple instruction. This business is not for people who get rich quick mindset. If you fall into any of this category, please stop watching. What is DMAP? DMAP is an online affiliate program hosted on seller platform where its affiliates earn by promoting its digital product and get paid commission daily. DMAP is a legit online platform where you can make 100k to 200k monthly by using just your smartphone. DMAP also provides you with step-by-step short video course that will guide you on how to use your seller account to start promoting and earn immediately after getting started as an affiliate to a digital product. The chicken race rule. First, what is chicken race? Chicken race is when you are always working emergency all day and night without achieving something good. So the chicken race rule. This chicken race rule okay, these are the rules and regulation of the chicken race. Number 1, rush to work. Rush to your place of work. Rush at work, see there all day feeling the time is sending irrelevant email and undertaking irrelevant tasks. 3, rush back home, eat your meal and go to bed, worry about your next day at work. before repeat step 1, 2, and 3 until the end of the month. At the end of the month, you collect your wages that can't even satisfy your need. Moreover, if you don't have to work, you are also living the chicken race due to the fact that you don't have work and will keep struggling hard to satisfy your need. Reason why you need to escape the chicken race: having a boss telling you what to do, working on something else, time clock, always worry about expenses and paying bills, being told what to do all the time, having to waste your life away working for someone else. So I believe you don't want to live this life again. What affiliate with DMAP program is not. It is not MLM. You don't need to rent a shop or office. You don't need to create or import any product. There is no monthly fee. It does not require huge startup capital or pay in government tax. It is not a scam. It's not a referral program. It is not MMM and does not work for lazy people who want others to do it for them. So as I was saying, there are three niches that people can create an information product around, which you can pick and promote as an affiliate marketer. And these three niches are: one, money making niches; two, health and fitness niche; three, dating and relationship niche. Any product you select under them goes well and always sell, because people will always have this problem. After selecting a product, what next? Simply start promotion. And how does this work? Perhaps you select a product titled "How to Unleash Your Inner Drive and Become a Money Magnet." Oh wow! Can you just see how sweet this digital product is? This is a money making niche. After picking the product and you are able to promote it times 20, the product is just 1 month. And if this product sells for 20k and you are getting a 50% commission, that is 10,000 a year. That means you'll be making 20 times 10,000 equals to 200k, right? Just in a month. As a beginner, you are able to make 200k. So when you now become a master, making 750k a month will now become a child play to you. And no one will do this affiliate program and still remain broke again, especially if you are in my mentorship, where I give my student a copy and paste method I'll be using. As in, if only possible for all the people aiming to make money online can get this opportunity, oh my god, it will be easy for everyone to make money off the internet. Withdraw from your affiliate account. After you get started, how do you withdraw? So there is no minimum or maximum withdrawal. You can withdraw all your commission, as you always receive a payout message every morning concerning the amount that you have been credited to your wallet. There is no withdrawal date or time. You can withdraw anytime you like. You can withdraw directly to your bank account or Momo account. So this remind me, this is for everyone again. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in US, Ghana, anywhere, this is for you. You get what I'm saying? Now you can set automatic withdrawal every morning. You will receive everything you have earned, and you can also choose to manual. You will make that choice when setting up your account after getting started. The affiliate website only charge you 15 naira whenever you place your withdrawal. What you will be getting if you make payment immediately and become a student: you will get access to DMAP course worth 19k. You will get access to affiliate account worth 40k. You will get access to my WhatsApp automation course you can use to generate quality lead that can buy whatever you have worth 8k. You get access to my copy and paste method that will give you massive results in less than 5 days worth 15k. You will get access to my complete DMAP graphics design for those who want to become a professional graphic designer worth 12k. You will be added to my personal mentorship group where you can ask questions and celebrate with others of my students worth 30k. You will get access to my secret I have used to make millions of naira worth 20k. 99 of prayers are answered through opportunity. Total cost of those DMAP course is 139,000 naira. But you are getting access to everything with just 19,999, which is 300 cities if you're in Ghana. I'll be running a special offer for who are willing to skyrocket their financial career or their financial status. What you only need to pay for this better by far opportunity is just a token of 10,980 naira, which is 166 cities. Only instead of normal price of 19,999, which is 302 cities. That sounds cool, right? So that's why you should not miss this. To get started right now, all you need to do is to type pay in my WhatsApp DM. Pay, P-A-Y, in my WhatsApp DM. So once again, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and smash the notification button. Anytime I drop a valuable content like this one you watch right now, YouTube is gonna notify you. Thank you.